Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to remove your games from your library. Depends on the remove. If you want to remove them like a hide button or something, there isn't such a thing in the new EA or Origin app, but you can remove them as delete them. So to do such thing or operation to remove your games, all you have to do, either you click them to the game that you want to remove from the installed games bar this, and it will show up follow, or you can just go to collection and click, and it will be like the previous method, or you just click on the 3 points and you will find uninstall, and this is how you remove. So if you click on that, you will find a button that tells you to manage. So after you click, you will find view properties, repair, or uninstall, but we want to remove our game. After you click uninstall, it will pop up this tab. Just click the first letter of the name. We have the Plants vs Zombie. You just click P, and you will find the game. You click twice, double click. We want to yes. It will make sure if you want really to uninstall the game. So after you click yes, it will start removing the game. So now we have just to wait to do all the work. We have to do nothing after, I think. Uh, yes. As you can see, the game has been, or the uninstalled or removed. Thank you for watching and goodbye.